Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League po, Pinoy Lodge Basketball League. And also we're here right now for the game number 1 between F1 and, of course, United Bolero. Sir, Coach, introduce yourself po, sir. Introduce po yung sarili niyo po, sir.
Ay, ako po pala si
Coach.
Coach Erlo Aniete.
And yung
at saka po yung si Kurt Cabello.
Kurt Cabello, okay. Okay. Sir, any thoughts po about you about to enter right now yung game number 1 po sa championship net? Of course, siyempre kailangan makapanal para meron game advantage po sa second game po.
Ay, siyempre po, importante po na makauna kami sa larong to. Mahirap po kasi yung mga laban malalaki at saka may mga experience. So, gagawin po namin lahat para manalo kami sa larong to. At saka follow lang po dun sa game plan namin at sana masunod.
Cabello?
So, ayun lang po. Nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon at nakaabot kami sa stage na to. Sa mga teammates ko, congrats na rin in advance na. So, ayun lang po. Work hard lang, play defense para makuha yung game 1.
Any thoughts po on the other team po? Paano po sila i-stopin po?
Ay, makita naman po natin nandun si idol natin, si Mr. Andal. Yun lang po. Sana ma-contain namin siya. Hindi naman natin kaya siyang stop. I-contain lang natin. At sana naman, maano yung game plan.
Okay.
At saka sana swertehin.
And of course, well wishes po sa inyong supporters po to support you. Siyempre po sa laro sa ligang sa laro ito.
Salamat. Papasalamat pala kami sa aming buting manager na makapunta ngayon. Si Madam Bosti at saka sa buting may bahay niya, si Boss Dennis, sa suporta at saka sa masarap na ulam barate pagkatapos ng game.
Ayos. Cabello, last number 2.
Ayun, nagpapasalamat ako sa Liga, sa F1, management, kay Coach, kay Boss, kay Madam, kay Boss D. So, ayun po. Binabati ko yung pamilya ko sa Pinas.
Buong F1 po yata, parang isang ball club na yata to Tansya ko. Ball club na.
Sana po nga, sana nga po.
Kasi kay sa ibang liga nakita ko F1 din with it po, maraming salamat po. And ika nga po, good luck po sa game number 1 between F1 and of course United Boleros.
Salamat. Thank you.
Ito pong this naman po, welcome po ito ngayon po sa championship match po between United Boleros against F1 Coach and Andal. Ano pong introduce yourself po, sir. Pakilala muna po kayo para makilala po kayo ng mga fans po. Sige po. Sige po, sir.
Si Jojo Doron po.
And
coach po ng Boleros.
And Mr. Andal.
Ayos po. Si Andal po, isa lang po akong tumutulong sa team para po makuha namin ang panalo.
Okay, sir. Any thoughts po about you entering now with F1? Magtatango po kay Mamia after let's say 5 minutes pa. Yan.
Alam naman natin yun, at F1 tinalo po kami sa elimination, so they're up with their speed at saka sa ability to shoot. So sabi ko lang sa mga bata, sipagan lang sa depensa kasi dun kami talaga tinalo nila. And if ever na we can pound it out inside, we will play more inside kasi mas malaki kami.
Okay, Coach Andal, Boss Andal.
Ayun, nasabi nga ni Coach na...
Bawal copy paste. Bawal copy paste. Bawal copy paste.
Oo naman. Sabi nga ni Coach, hindi naman nasasabihin ko kahit copy paste no. Doon kami nakulang sa depensa namin, kaya yung depensa namin mas pag-iigtingin pa namin, mas pag-iigpitan. At the same time, pagtutulungan namin para manalo kami ngayon sa game 1.
And how about your other teams po? Tell me about your other teams. How about si Alipala, si pakita ba? Yan ba yung mga yan?
Support of everyone is very important. Kasi basketball is a team game.
Yes.
So,
And of course, si Miranda, nasa likod nyo, yung birador nyo po. Yan.
We need everyone to step up and our players are injured. So most of our players are injured. So mayroon akong 2-3 players injured.
You have to adjust now. Adjustment po talaga.
Manalo.
Si Manalo pala.
Sila Romeo. So I hope our guys will step up para makover yung mga injuries.
Therefore, you're about to enter this with a challenge pala talaga.
Yes.
Okay, with you po, sir. Any well wishes po sa kabila and also sa family members to join and come and support you po talaga.
Everyone po is invited. Salamat po sa pamilya namin na nakasupport ngayon and sa mga players both F1 and Boleros. Let's make this a wonderful championship game hopefully wala pong masaktanan na everyone will enjoy and may the best team win.
And Andal, any final word before we start the game?
Kaya po, nagpapasalamat po ako, especially po sa manager at coach po namin. At saka po kay Ate Jack,
Ay, nandun.
sama po ni Coach Joe.
Ay, nasa likod kasi po.
Yan,
Okay.
sa amin,
Sige.
out ako po.
Okay.
Salamat po kami.
With it, congratulations po for reaching the finals, and of course, good luck also for game number 1. 3, 2, 1. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is now your championship match between F1 in white, clad in white versus United Boleros clad in black. A classic black and white combination po tayo ngayon. Ito malalaman po natin po after 10 minutes who will take now game number 1. Game number 1 of the championship series. Standby po tayo po, and the game will be posted po later po sa PLBL page. And come on and come all po. Muli po, maraming salamat po for the PLBL po. PLBL for giving me a chance to cover this game po talaga. Maraming salamat po, and also ika nga po, good luck to both teams, and ika nga come out fighting. Coming up next is United Boleros versus F1 for the championship series po. Thank you po, and this show of course PLBL Basketball League. Go. Okay, good morning Qatar. We're here live right now sa Arab School number 1. Hindi po Arab School number 1 in Alsat to witness the first game for the championship series between United Boleros in black and in white po is F1 basketball team. Just your host po, Arvin G Vlogs with you to deliver blow by blow accounts po itong sa Champs game. And also with it po, with this po is po yung kanilang family po ng Boleros family. Kayo na po dyan. Ayan. Yan, tama. Galing ng bata. Okay. Yan. And also, dati po, wala pa pong yung F1 po. And with it, final moments na po, nagdadasal na po sila. And also final na po ng ating kanilang mga coaches, instruction ng kanilang mga coaches. Ito po ang gano'n po kibuti na mag-game number 1. Of course, they will have an overwhelming advantage and a chance to put away now the championship series. Ito po ang, of course, ang PLBL Basketball League. Pinoy Legends, possibly ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Game number 1, Championship Series between United Boleros in black versus in white F1. Ito na. Okay, standby po tayo. First 10-minute action headed by Andal and Miranda, yung kanilang poste ng Boleros, versus naman si Cabello and also si Big Mac makatunggal naman sa kabila sa F1. O sige, balik dito. Balik dito. O sige po sa inyo po. Idol, ingat ha. Ito idol. Okay, eto na mga kababayan. Eto na po tayo mga kababayan. First game for today. First game for the championship now. Of course, a word from our sponsors bago po tayo to proceed. Headed by number 1, of course, Boss Gio Pares, ang parisan ng bayan dito sa Qatar. Boss Gio Pares, Kanoy P Vlogs, MC Cuisine, MC Cargo, Qatar Celebration by Zira Nyada, Winax Apparel, JPX TV, and many more. Game number 1, first quarter action between in white F1 versus in black United Boleros. Yan na. Okay. Before we start, syempre, final words po sa kanilang
Request
referee.
na natin yung mga players, coach, lahat player dito,
Okay,
coach.
toolbox talk muna
Handle
daw
muna
tayo.
po tayo. May sabihin lang po tayo. Konting lang po.
Okay, toolbox talk.
Championship to.
Toolbox talk muna daw, sabi ng mga referee. Sige pa. Okay, shoutout po sa nanonood po right now po. Tag your friends, call your friends to watch this game. They want your support for both teams. Habang tayo po, maaga pa naman tayo, mag-popcorn muna tayo. O kaya kumain na kayo ng almusal nyo. O magkape muna tayo kung inantok po kayo. Ito po ay masarap na laro. Okay, ito na po, nag-shake hands po sila and come out fighting. Sabi ng mga ibang larangan po ng sports po. Shakeouts and come out fighting. Coming up next now is PLBL Championship match between Boleros in black and F1 in white. Ito na po. Ito na, mga kababayan. This is for the championship match 5.8.9 plus 2 rated plus 2 imports. 5.11 rated division game number 1 on the way. Sa jump ball, si Big Mac at si Miranda. And won by Boleros Andal. Nako, number 20. Shot kagad niya. Nag-register kagad sa ating talapitan, si number 20. Okay po, si number 20. Number 20. Yan si Tate. Kumating na rin si Adorable. Vitor, pops up. Nope. Nakuha ni Adorable ang bola. Adorable. Makatunggal. Adorable. Pops up for 3 in line. Nope. Rebound D. Okay, Boleros ball. Boleros ball. Boleros ball po tayo mga kabayan. Boleros ball po tayo. Miranda for the inbound. Number 20. Number 20. Yan si Makalay. To Andal. Andal. Thinking 2. Nope. And it's 3-second violation called on Miranda. Balik po muli po ang bola po sa F1 basketball team. Adorable. To Lantaka. To Adorable. Nakuha niya Andal ang bola. Andal. Intercepted. Good ball. Bago na siya attack po ng konti. And Makalalay to Miranda. Power move. Fade away shot. Nope. Nandun si Adorable. Adorable. Vitor. Nope. Wala pa rin. And white ball. It's white. Okay, sabi ng referee, it's white. Okay. Sabi ng referee pa, it's white. And pops up. Nope, wala pa rin. After 2 minutes, F1 has yet to score. This time si Miranda. Power move ni Miranda. Nagkatawapasahan to number 17. Driving in. Dish of pass to Andal. And foul number 17. Adorable. Andal for the inbound. 26 Miranda driving. And it's a offensive foul. Okay, lifting violation rather. Sorry, lifting. I stand by sa lifting po. Ayan. Balik po na si Repolyo. Nandiyan na pa si Repolyo. Number 9. Lantaka to Repolyo. Repolyo driving. Stolen away. Binabantayan. Number 0 Makalay. Whoa! It's a foul called. Foul committed. Take 2 si Makalalay. Okay. Ito na po tayo. This street is brought by Hook of Qatar. Ayan, Hook of Qatar po yan. Available po yan sa Al-Sadd area in Doha. Hook of Qatar. First shot ni Makalalay. Nope. Okay, jumpers ready po for Team F1. Team F1, jumpers ready. It's pasok. Nothing but net. 3-0 ang score po natin. We started little slow and slowly but surely will pick up pace sa larong ito. Number 74, 3. Bang! Sidin! Okay, nakalo kagad tayo. Tablado, stress po tayo. 7 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter action. Good morning Qatar. Good morning world. Makalalay, nope. Nakuha ni Makatunggal ang bola. Makatunggal. Nagmamadali. Makatunggal driving. And it's a foul committed by 0. Number 0 called for a foul. Vitor for the inbound. Vitor for the inbound. 21 to Adorable. Adorable to Vitor. Vitor pops up. Nope. Nakuha ni number 20 ang bola. Nagmamadali muli. Number 20. 20. It's 20. Nope. Nagbantay muna. Nagantay muna siya to number 0. Makalay shooting for 3. In line. Pasok ang bola. Number 0 for 3 points. The score is 3-6. And it's a foul committed. Number 20. Foul number 20. Number 20 called for a foul. Okay, Adorable. Adorable to Repolyo. Pops up. Balabas. Lantaka. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Makatunggal ng bola. For 3. Makatunggal for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Vitor. Pops up rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Repolyo. Power move. Ayaw muna. Nalantay muna. Makatunggal. Repolyo. Great space. Wala. Rebound Santos sa wakas ng Andal. Bola. Andal. Power move. Kapos. And now number 13 Lantaka leading the charge. Hop. Muntik lang. 3-point ni Lantaka. Wala. Nakuha ni Manranda ang bola. Andal. Andal. Nakawala sa Andal. Andal. And one play sana. Shooting for 2 is Andal. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, Trijan's Barbershop. The only 100% owned barbershop here in Qatar. 100% para sa Pinoy. In 3 branches po yan. 1 in Madinah Khalifa Lord, 1 in Al Saad, and also 1 in Mansura area. Trijan's Barbershop. Lapas. Second throw ni Andal. Jumpers ready. Andal. Jumpers ready po. Pasok. Okay. Laman po ng 7 ang United Boleros. Nag-shuffle na po si Gert Cabello. Pinasok na. Kay Adorable. Repolyo. Inbounding. Then receiving the number 16. Cabello. Repolyo. Cabello driving. Makatunggal na ako sa ilalim. Malakas ang konti. Rebound. It's a foul. Shooting for 2. Shooting for 2. Vitor, number 21. This free throw is brought up by, of course, Fashion Culture Sportswear. Just visit the FB page for more inquiries and questions po. Just visit the FB page for details. Vitor, first shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Kay Vitor. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Mr. Vitor. Vitor, wala nga. Miranda for the rebound. Rebound di Miranda to Makalay. To number 20. Montenegro yata ito eh. Ano pilido niya, sir? Number 20? Montenegro, di ba? Nope. Ha? Montekalcon. Okay, sorry. Makalalay. Okay, Makalalay pops up. Ayun. Nice one. It's a foul called. Free throws coming up para kay number 17 ng Boleros. And brought to you by, of course, Imprenta Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprenta Advertising. First shot, number 17. Pasok, nating magnet. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Number 17. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Nope. Rebound ni Makatunggal. Early entry. Okay, Makatunggal now.
Cabello, manawak ng bola.
Gert Cabello. Cabello and Sabilio pops up. Nope. Rebound ni Miranda. Andal, nagmamadali. And 2 points, Andal. Sabilio. Lantaka, nope. Makatugat pa the rebound. And 1 play made. Big Mac is in the house. Handog po yan ng Pure Market Groceries. Handog po yan ng Pure Market Groceries po. First shot and only shot. Wala, kapos. 6-10. 3 minutes 44 seconds remaining first quarter action. Makalalay and Andal. Nakawala sa Andal. Malakas. One more time kay Andal. Power move. Pasok ang bola. Cabello driving. Cabello lost the ball. And same ball.
14 second shot clock.
14-second shot clock. Kickball kasi Cabello. Pops up. Wala pa rin. And foul. Number 17. Holding foul. It's a holding foul called on number 17 ng Team Boleros. 3 minutes remaining sa ating laro. Makatunggal, shooting for 2. Handog po yan, of course, HB Kicks from Jordan Celebrons. HB Kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks. To order the shoes, just visit the FB page the HB Kicks for details. HB Kicks. Second shot. Pasok pareho. Okay, take note. The score is 8-12.
2 times penalty.
Both teams penalty na po. Monte Falcon to Makalalay.
Score natin 12-8.
Si Junior to magdadrive. Hop, si Daisy. It's a foul call.
Penalty.
Foul number 25, penalty situation. This is your free throws brought to you by, of course, Jed Vlogs, travel photography, and many more. Handog po yan ang Jed Vlogs. Okay, one more time. Number 17. It's wala. Cabello to Lantaka driving, nakalusot. Same ball sana, pero of course balik pumunta sa Boleros ang bola. Substitution made na. Si number 6 and si Alipala pinasok na rin. And of course, number 30, pinasok din. Si Tiyat pinasok, si number 6, Alipala, number 15, and si number 30, pinasok din po. Take note po, medyo malalim pa rin po ang bench po ng Boleros. Compare po sa F1. Power move by Andal. Pasok ang bola. Repolyo driving. Nagatumapas ang si Repolyo to Sabilio to Repolyo. And offensive legal pick being called kay Kayaban muna, pinagpahinga muna po ng coach nila. Palit po si number 37. Offensive foul. Tiyat for the inbound. Pass to Olipala, the general.
Pinagangay number 0.
Makalalay to Alipala. Tinky 3, nope. Wow! Nakuha ni Tiyat ang bola. Nakuha ni Alipala muna. Pinigay kay Alipala driving. Gida ko ng pick. Si number 30, si Agustin. Andal! Hop, si Daisy! Traveling violation. Traveling violation. O called on Mr. Andal. Balik po ni sa puti ang bola. Okay, Repolyo. Setting the game to Sabilo. Floater shot. Again, rebound battle. Nakuha ni Tiyat ang bola. Tiyat to Alipala. Alipala, driving. Alipala. Nakuha ni Makatunggal to Cabello. Mamadali. Cabello. Wow, binali pa ang bola. Pasok ang bola. Pasok. 10-15, 1 minute remaining sa ating first quarter action sa championship match. Nakuha ni Andal ang bola. Pinapatay ng dalawa. Nakuha ni T. Makatunggal ang bola. Makatunggal. Mamadali. Big Mac. Santillan. Nice D. Alipala. Nakuha naman ni Cabello. Sige po. Dampo kayo. Cabello. Nope. Number 9. Repolyo. Wala pa rin. Santillan. Makatunggal. Driving. Power move. Ayun sa ilalim si Cabello. Pasok ang bola. Timeout na called by United Boleros. Good morning. This is your PLBL Pinoy Legends Basketball League Championship Series 5-9 plus 2 rated and also plus 2 5-11 division. Game number 1 action. Okay, konting ano na po. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa laro nito. This time around now, Repolyo and Company. 24 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter action. Tiyat for the inbound sa backcourt. They will go for the last shot sa first quarter action ng laro nito. Okay, Tiyat to Alipala to Makalalay. Pops for 3 in line. Wala. Nakuha ni Repolyo. Hababok. Repolyo driving. And one play made. Wara.
15-14. 6 seconds.
This free throw is brought to you by Pinoy Star Bowlers Qatar ng PSBQ League. Every Tuesday night po yan sa The Perning Season National Doha and also live po yan sa kanilang FB page. PSBQ Basketball League. Repolyo ties the ball game with 6 seconds remaining. Andal. Hounded. Andal driving. 2 points Andal. In time. Just like a truck. Parang barko na hindi mapigilan. Yan si Andal. Okay. First quarter is history. The score is 15-17. Laman po ang Boleros ng dalawa. Okay, sino ba dito? Pa-shoutout po. Pa-shoutout sa napakagandang, mabait na manager ng Madam Boss T. And let's go F1 team. Okay, medyo okay, pa-shoutout do po. Cabello for the inbound now. Second quarter action. Repolyo, Cabello, binabantayan. Cabello, nakalusot. Pinasa. Ayun, kailan tanga. Pinasa, tinira. Wala. Nako, hindi Repolyo ang bola. Nako, hindi Makalalay. Good ball. Sana. Stepping the line. Repolyo driving. Nandun silang takap. Fadeaway shot. Malakas. Vitor. Pasok. Vitor, what a hoop shot ni Vitor. Pasok. Makalalay again for 3. Wala. Ayun, si Cabello for the rebound. Ayan, on the run na naman si Repolyo. Nakuha ni Vitor. Cabello. Vitor. Repolyo, nope. Kapos. Nakuha ni Tiat. Andal, on the run. Inatake ng Andal. Good ball. Cabello sailing in and one play. 1917, change favor po tayo. Change favor. Shoutout po dyan kay Hans Canedo. Sabi ni Ramajan Canedo. Okay. Tiat for the inbound. Inbound po si Mr. Tiat to Alipala against Repolyo. Long 3. Kapos. Okay, balik pumuli po tayo sa F1 ng bola. The white now in the run. Cabello nagmamadali against Andal. Nakalusot. Cabello. Uy! Nandun silang taka. Wala pa rin. Ayun, sagot. Si number 30. Andal. Okay, 2 points Andal. Third dead dog of the game. Andal. Literally, binubuhat niya ang team niya. Literally, Repolyo for 3. Sobra. Nakuha ni Andal muli ang bola. Andal. Okay, pahingin muna daw, sabi. Swing muna daw, sabi ni Andal. Okay, si Makalalay. Na-intercept ni Cabello to Repolyo nantaka. It's a foul. Take two para kay Repolyo. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, JPX TV. JPX TV lang ang sakalam. Apparel po yan and basketball drills and many more. Ika nga all around po yan. Yan po ang JPX TV. JPX lang ang sakalam. Okay. Nantaka. Nope. Rebound. Number 30 to Makalalay. Number 0. Driving. Pahingin muna. Nagkampan sa against Vitor. Nakalusot. And tap away. Up si Daisy.
Dadahanan tayo.
Substitution muli po tayo yun. Santillan para kay Apostol. Repolyo for the inbound. Shoutout po kay ZK Kayan. Shoutout po kay Miss Canedo. Wala pinasan. Durable and one play made. This free throw is brought to you by Winners Apparel. Don't get out from your house without winning it. Yan po ang Winners Apparel. Adorable for the bonus free throw. Take note, lamang na po ang F1 ng dalawa. Wala nga. And nakuha ni Tiat ang bola. Tiat to number 30. Number 30. Ano apelido ng number 30, sir? Number 30 ang apelido? Diyos yan eh. Ay, Makalalay. Oops, si Daisy. It's a foul called. Adorable called for the foul. 6 minutes 26 seconds remaining for the second quarter action. Montefalcon, number 20. Naku number 30, power move. Wala. Naku ni Repolyo. Makatunggal. Makatunggal. 2 points Makatunggal.
19-23, naman po ng 4 yung F1.
Okay.
Sabi number 20, relax daw.
This is the classic test between speed and height.
14 seconds at
Yung story so far pa, Makalalay. Squalado. Pasok ang bola. Makalay, 3 points. Nice shot. Lantakan naman. Wala. Repolyo for the rebound. Tapos. Number 30, kick pass. Kay Montefalcon. And wala na. Sayang. Okay, time out na called by F1 basketball team.
Isa lang naman ang F1, 22-23.
This is your PLBL Basketball League, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. We're here live right now sa sunny and warm Arab School number 1 in Al Sadd. The story so far 23-22. Ang laman po ay F1 basketball team. Sa game number 1, 5-9 plus 2 imports, 5-11 plus 2 imports. Rated division ng PLBL. Back to the ball game na po tayo ngayon. Eto na, pinasok na po ang Twin Towers ng Boleros, si Andal and Miranda. Ano ang gagawin ng F1 ngayon? Malalaman po natin yan sa ilang saglit.
F1 ball.
F1 ball, adorable. At Lantaka.
Taka, dribble the ball.
Lantaka. Okay, Lantaka. Sway muna raw. Lantaka. And it's a foul called by number 20. Opo.
13th foul.
Paalala po, pinalaan siya ng team niya. Sayang yung foul niya kasi. Lantaka to sa Belio. Si Daisy. Traveling violation. Balik po muli po ang bola po sa United Boleros. Number 20, three personal foul, ha?
This is your third personal foul.
Third personal foul. Tatlo na po daw siya, sabi ng committee.
Nagala ka.
Number 20, 5 minutes, 13 seconds remaining. 23 Tiyat against Andal. And it's a foul. Pushing foul. Okay, Andal for the inbound. Zika yan, shout out, good luck daw ng F1. Okay, F1, well wishes po ng F1. Miranda, nakuha ni Karag, nakuha ni number 17, pinasa ka number 17. Walang pinasahan. Okay, Montefalcon for the inbound. Montefalcon for the inbound. Makalay. Tiyat. Miranda. Triple team. Miranda. Pops up. Nope. Miranda for the rebound. One more time. Miranda. Power move.
10 seconds na clock.
Sa ilalim. Wala. Nako ni Tiyat. Nako ni Andal. Andal. 2 points Andal. Sandal. Okay, balik po po sa Boleros ang Kalamangan. Adorable for 3. No, and same ball. Ay, sorry. Black ball. It's black ball. Black ball po tayo. Ito na po tayo, Makaalay, number 0, scaling the defense. Nandyan si Tiyat. Also, binagmay ka Makaalay. And now, number 20, pops up. Nope. Ayan si Sirman. F1 nagmamadali. Sabilio. 2 points Sabilio. Hindi na siya nag-foul. Let go na yun.
Lamang 25.
25-24, 3 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. Second quarter action ng game number 1.
14 shot clock.
Number 20 to Andal. Andal in the line. Foul. It's a foul call. Who's foul rep? Andal shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by Boss Gio Pares, ang parisan ng bayan dito sa Qatar. to visit the restaurant, just go to beside Montesa Park. Andal, second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot Andal, jumpers ready po tayo. Tapos, tablados tayo. Tablados sa 25. Sa bingo po 3. Wala nga. Montebalcon, namamadali. Montebalcon. Makalay, foul by number 0.
Third personal foul, number 00.
Double 0, third personal foul already also called. Ayan na, si Pesarillo. Pesarillo reporting in.
3 seconds.
Makalay, 0, shooting for 2. Ito po ay handog po ng Kanoypi Vlogs, vlogging and many more. Sagot po yan ng Kanoypi Vlogs. Second shot po ni Makalay. Jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready. Pasok. Okay, change driver po tayo. 25-26. Adorable, Pesarillo. Lantaka, ayun, nakawala. Tapos. Good ball. Adorable, nagmamadali. Adorable, wala. Adorable. Pesarillo, short stop, wala. Nakuha ni Mac na bola. Tinakbong bola, ito po. Montefalcon. Tiyak, dukot sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Adorable. To number 40. Lantaka. Wala pa rin. Rebound di Pesarillo. Short stop. Pasok ang bola kay Pesarillo. Woo! Ano ba yan? Okay, Andal says we want order. I-set muna daw natin, sabi ni Andal. Okay, Andal says i-set muna daw natin. Tiyak, Andal, double team na. Andal, power move. Nope. Ayan, si Miranda, lost the ball. Nope. And dalawa sila. Okay, same ball.
Time out.
Okay, timeout po po.
32 seconds. Naman po.
Tumawag po ng timeout po ang United Boleros. 27-26. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Okay, game number 1 action on the way. Okay, back to the ball game na po tayo yun. Back to the ball game po tayo yun. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po tayo ngayon mga kabayan.
12 seconds shot clock.
12 second shot clock. Tiyat for the inbound. And lagaan pa mapasahan. Makalay. Andal for 3. Bang! Di lang pang ilalim, pang ilabas pa. Yan si Andal. Adorable. Lantakat. Wala. Andal, nakalusot. Andal, driving in.
1 minute and 2 seconds.
Pesarillo. Hop! Naku ni Miranda ang bola.
1 minute.
A minute remaining. Montefalcon. Makalay for 3. Wala. Ayun.
Oh.
Sila gusto na humiga.
Tago na ta. 44 seconds.
44 seconds remaining.
13 seconds shot clock.
Boleros ball. Tiyak for the inbound. Miranda, kick pass to Miranda. Miranda driving, no, it's 3. Bang! City! Okay, 3-point lead po ngayon. Being registered now again by Boleros. Pesarillo. Carag, nope. Rebound. Black ball, black ball.
32-27, lamang po yung Buleros.
Black ball po tayo, black ball. Shoutout po sa 19 viewers po natin right now. Maraming salamat sa pagsama po sa amin. Ito po ang game number 1, Champion Series.
10 seconds.
Yun, pinasa ka number 5. Pinalik ka number 7.
Makalay. Binali pa. Wala. Adrabe pa rebound. Kick pass. Pesarillo. Wala na. End of the first half. Laman po ang Boleros ng 5. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League. First of all, a word from our sponsors, headed by, of course, Boss Gio Pares.
Score checks 32-27.
Kanoy P Vlogs, MC Cuisine, MC Cargo, Katat Salbumi sa Bayzira Nyada, Winax Apparel, JPX TV, PSBQ, Jet Vlogs, HB Kicks, Pure Market, Imprint Advertising, and of course, last but not the least, Fashion Culture,
Shoutout po kay
Triggers Barbershop.
Good luck F1 for the win.
Hook Up Qatar. Yan po. And Hook Up Qatar. Ito po ang yung PLBL Basketball League.
Hans Canedo, shoutout po kay Hans Canedo.
Okay, shoutout po kay Hans Canedo. Good luck daw, sabi ni ZK Quezon. Good luck F1. And sabi ni Ochoa, you know. Sabi ni Habdan Alfonso, good luck F1. Go for the win. Sabi ni Cabalia, pa-shoutout po sa pinakanapagandang mabitang manager ng F1 team. And many more po. Okay, standby po tayo. Meron po tayong 5-minute break.
Wait lang. Ano ba yung scoreboard natin ito? Take your time. DC Quezon, good luck F1.
Okay, the story so far po, lumaman po kanina po ng isa ang F1 pero nabalik po kagad nilang kalamangan ng Boleros. Kaya this time, ang score po natin is 27-32, 5 po ang lamang nila. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po tayo ngayon. Coach Joe, number 17 to Montefalcon. Ayan na, pumasok na rin po ang kanilang mga second players. Si number 50 pumasok na rin.
14 seconds.
Driving in, dish of pass kay Montefalcon. Wala. Ayun sa ilalim, malalim. Rebound battle, Lantaka, driving in. Repolyo! Uy! Muntik lang. Okay, balik po muli po tayo. This free throw is brought to you by Hook Up Qatar Apparel. Diyan po muli po sa Adsad area in Doha. Hook Up Qatar. Ano po yan? Quality shirts, caps, and many more po yan. Nandun po yung Hook Up Qatar. Repolyo, second shot, wala pa rin! Rebound ni Miranda. Ibrahim Santos, shout out. Ni number 13, galing at 16, galingan yun daw. Sabi ni Ibrahim Santos, wala, Vitor for the rebound. Makatunggal, nagmamadali sa Makatunggal, eto na. Repolyo, hop, ayun, Lantaka, 2 points.
32-29.
The story so far really is height versus speed. Ang sa larong ito, height for the Boleros and speed for the F1. Pops up. Bang si Din. Bang si Dot pala. Mali. Vitor! Malakas! Balik muli tayo. Ito na naman. Number 17, Miranda. Miranda, big double team. Miranda. Number 30, 20, Montefalcon. Ayun, sa ilalim, 30, pasok. Number 17, Dragger. Lantakan, short stop, and one, sana. Pero di tinawagan ng referee. 2 points, Lantaka. 31-34, 8 minutes remaining. Miranda, double team, palpal. Nice block by Cabello. Nice D ni Cabello po.
34-31.
Number 30 for the inbound, binigay kay Miranda. Miranda versus Makelon Makatunggal. Number 30, Miranda. Miranda on the line. Wala. Nakuha. Touch last by number 30 ng Boleros. F1 ball po tayo. Repolyo. Lantaka for 3. Bang!
The block.
Ayan na naman, 34 tablados muli po tayo mga babayan. Ito po ang PLB Basketball League Game number 1 action between Boleros and F1. Nakuha ni Cabello, foul!
Wala.
Who's foul, rep? Okay, thank you. Miranda called for a foul. Okay, Montefalcon, ano muna? Labos muna si Montefalcon, si Andal, pinasok muna rin para kay Mr. Miranda para magpapahinga. 40 minutes been made already by Mr. Miranda. Repolyo, Cabello, Makatunggal, short stop sana, wala. Sierra Fabiano, ang quarter po natin po ay third quarter na po at 7 minutes remaining. Bang! Sige, nakabawi naman. Nice one by number 17. Repolyo, Lantaka, babawi ba niya? Wala.
Yun, subukan na naman sa bola.
Hop! Foul! It's a foul. Sir Fabiano po, third quarter na po tayo. 6 minutes, 44 seconds remaining na lang po. For your information po. This your host, Arvin G. Vlogs with you. And we're delivering right now, blow by blow account po sa championship na ito. Okay. Number 17, number 30, Disho pass. Good ball. Ayun, on the run. On the run po tayo. Pesarino, wala.
Subukan na ulit, pasok ulit.
Cabello, side step move. Wala pa rin. Lantaka, turn around, foul. It's a foul. It's a foul.
Sportsman ha.
Okay, good. Okay, balik muli po tayo. This free throw is brought to you by Trijan's Barbershop. Ang barbershop ng bayan dito sa Qatar. 100% point po yan, yung Trijan's Barbershop. To visit, that you have 3 branches po. 1 in Medina Khalifa North, 1 in Al Sadd, and also 1 in Mansura area. Trijan's Barbershop.
Second foul.
Lantaka. Score po, ang score po natin po ay 34-37. Lamang po ang 35-37. Lamang po ang Boleros ng dalawa.
37-35.
Sabi ni Manuel Taluban, ang score po natin po ay 35-37. I repeat, lamang po ng Boleros po ng dalawa. Okay, little bit of the war is now getting waxing hotter and hotter. Ito po tayo, number 50, fadeaway shot. Ayun, si number 37 ng F1. Lantaka nagmamadali. F1, no! Foul by number 50. This free throw is brought to you by Fashion Culture Sportswear. Instant Party, just visit FB page for details. Fashion Culture Sportswear. Okay, shot po ni Lantaka, pasok, 36-37. Itatabla niya ang larong ito o imimintis niya. Malalaman po natin yan. Lantaka, one more shot, pasok pareho. Tablados na naman tayo. Tablados, pumuli po tayo mga kababayan. Work deadlock again.
And the dribble ng number 17 ng bola.
Number 17, number 50. Makaalay na yan.
Number 0, binalikan sa
Number
itong
17, wala. And
9 seconds shot clock.
okay, black ball. Black ball, black ball, black ball, black ball.
9 seconds shot clock.
Good luck, sabi ni Mr. Tolentino. Bobby Tolentino, good luck F1 team, sabi niya. Andal for 3. Bang!
Ayun, tumakbo. Tumakbo, dumiretso. Pinasa.
Makatunggal! 2 points makatunggal.
40-39.
Transition ang binambaba na po ng F1, living up the game as F1 against United Boleros, the height and might of Boleros.
Number 0, subukan pasok.
Makalay, malakas. Good ball, Makalay, wala pa rin. Who's foul rep, take 2.
Sub.
Makalay shooting for 2, courtesy of Imprint Advertising. We turn your ideas into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Makalay shooting for 2, first shot niya. It's malakas. Wala. Second throw ni Makalay. 39-40. Second throw. It's wala pa rin. Rebound. Pesarillo. Lantaka. Lantaka. Short stop. Bang!
40-41.
Lantaka. Short stop. Pasok. Andal. Number 9. Tingnan pick. Power move. Good ball. And black ball. Ay, white ball. Touchless by Andal. May Big Mac to Pesarillo. Pesarillo. Pesarillo again. Pesarillo. Wala kapos. Andal. For the rebound. Alipala. Alipala. Number 15. Hey! Sticky fingers. Butterfingers. Sayang. Butterfingers committed. Makalay. Okay, tumuli po tayo. Big Mac makatunggal. Meron pa rin. Nandun si Lantaka. Nilantaka ang bola.
40-43.
Eto na po tayo. Sino po yan? Aguiron, number 30. Stolen the ball. Still completed. Lantaka again. Lantaka. Number 25 is a foul. Committed by Alipala.
Timeout.
Timeout not called also by Boleros. This is your PLBL Basketball League. You're watching right now the game number 1 action between Boleros in black and in white po is F1 basketball team. We'll be back po after 1 minute. Take note po, both teams and also I think Boleros po, sinabi po sa kanilang interview na medyo nakasa-handicap po sila, pero we'll see kung sino po mag-step up po sa laro nito. Pero as of now, nakita ko na po may mga nag-step up po, the likes of Mr. Mote Falcon and si Makaalay po, nag-step up na rin po sila to Kayaban for 2, pasok po. And that free is brought to you by Pure Market Groceries, available sa kanilang daily deals and for all kinds of products. To visit the Pure Market Groceries, just visit the FB page for location and details. Yan. Pure Market Groceries. Andal. Okay, Andal. Andal. 45-40. Number 50. Makaalay.
Bola number 0. 14 seconds.
Makaalay nakalusot. Dish of Pasky Miranda. And one play sana. Big Mac called for a foul. This free throw is brought to you by HV Kicks. From Jordans to LeBrons, HV Kicks had it all for you. To order the shoes, just visit the FB page for details. HV Kicks.
Choose wisely.
Miranda, first shot is pasok. Second shot ni Mr. Miranda. Miranda, second free throw. Shoutout po dyan sa 18 viewers po natin right now. Second shot kapos. Break. Pesarillo. 3 on 2. Pesarillo. Almost got to play. Pesarillo shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by Jed Vlogs, Travel Photography, and many more. Handog po yan ng Jed Vlogs. Pesarillo, first shot, kapos. Second shot ni Pesarillo, jumpers ready. Pesarillo, second throw, pasok. 46-41, 5. A precarious 5-point lead been held by F1 sa third quarter na ito. In 3 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Eto na po tayo yun. Miranda, and it's a foul. Okay, Pesarillo called for the foul. Inbound po si number 50. Alipala against Pesarillo. Bacala, thinking 3 and 9. Pasok ang bola. Lamang ng dalawa. Pesarillo, makatunggal. Cabello, makatunggal. Tuto Cabello, tingin 3. No, looking for
Relax na. Hayaan ang referee na mag-desisyon.
Okay, ano muna po?
Kita dito. Nasa camera.
Okay, may meeting po sila. They will deliver the verdict.
46.
42-46. 2 minutes 40 seconds remaining.
Hintayin po natin yung
Okay.
decision.
Eto na po. Okay, foul only. Ordinary foul. Penalty situation, F1.
Penalty.
Penalty situation, F1. Free throws brought to you by Pinoy Bowlers, Pinoy Star Bowlers, Qatar, PSPQ, Basketball League. First shot, pasok! Okay, looking to tie the ball game again. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok! Tabla. Okay, tabla po tayo mga babae. Tabla. Cabello. Two, Pesarillo to Cabello. Makatunggal. For 3. No. Rebound, Andal for the rebound. Tabla po tayo. Okay lang, Takap. Reporting in now po sa bench. And Andal driving. Number 50.
10 seconds.
Andal. Palpal. And malakas. Pinutang bantay. Cabello. Double team. Blocking foul. Blocking foul committed. Blocking foul committed. Penalty situation din pang Boleros. Substitution made na muna. Penalty situation din. Free throws coming up para kay Cabello. Handog po yan ng JPX TV. JPX TV lang ang sakalam. Apparels po yan and basketball drills and many more. Cabello, first shot is pasok. Ito yung ano. F1 family. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Pasok pareho. Okay. Okay, teka lang muna po. 48 all.
Nagteka po yung nagteka po yung 46.
Kumuha sa player dito, dito ang akin. Para makita ang score natin.
Tama yung score.
Grabe.
Ngayon, 48-48.
All 48 po tayo.
Yung score po natin, ulitin ko, 48-48.
Okay.
Tignan po.
As per sa score sheets po yan, 48-48. Sabi ng
Lagay
committee.
sa tabi ko para pakita yung score natin.
Okay, ito na, 50.
48 seconds na clock.
Wala nga.
Ayun,
Lantaka. Nakuha ang bola. Nakuha ang bola. Andal. Palpal.
Lock by number 23.
Alam po,
Ma'am.
ulitin ko yung score. 48-48 pa rin, ha?
19 seconds.
Okay, 48. Makalay for 3. Malakas. Nakuha ng dal. Jump shot nung ayaw niya. Sumaksak. And it's foul.
Foul number 23.
Makatunggal.
Penalty score.
Foul. Penalty sa
Sam,
3.
Sam. Sam, 48-48.
Okay, makatunggal. Nilabas muna para kay Mr. Karag. This free is brought to by Winang Sapar. Don't get out from your house without winning it. Yan po ang Winang Saparel. Andal, first shot made.
49-48.
Laman ng 1 point, United Boleros. 49-48.
Second throw, jumpers ready.
Mga itim.
Pakita mo biceps mo. Sapa.
Second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok.
Pasok ulit.
Okay, balik po muli po ang kalamangan puni po sa Bolero, 50-48. Lamang ng dalawa. Cabello, Pesarillo, Cabello.
Pinasa ulit.
Karag, pasok ang balo. Pasok ang bola. 50 all. 50 all po tayo, 50 all po tayo, 50 all.
5-0
Alipala.
Yun, naghahanap ng mga...
Alipala, nagmamadali. Alipala na usot. Alipala, ginugot. Wala. Nakuha na yung Andal. Wala pa rin. Free throws coming up. Care of Qatar Sublimation Sportswear by G. Ranyada. Ayan ha. Qatar Sublimation Sportswear by G. Ranyada. For uniforms for organic sports, shapes, and sizes. Andal, pasok muli. 51-50.
Bagay, best player ka talaga. Sapagan. Best player. Sapagan.
Second throw. Pasok. Pareho.
52-50.
Okay, 52-50 muli po tayo.
Huwag yun ang matirahan.
Itim.
Huwag yun ang
Yung
matirahan.
Sinaksak, bumawi.
Pesarillo, dukot ng lalim. Pasok.
52-52.
50 seconds.
50 seconds remaining. Dikit ang labang. Dikit ang laban. Alipala against Pesarillo. Nakuha ng pick.
Pasok.
Andal, Pesarillo. Alipala. Wala. Nakuha ni number 50. Number 0, Mangalay. Against Lantaka.
Pinasok.
Nakuha ang bola. Still completed. Karag. Lantaka on the line. Transition defense. And it's a foul called.
Wait lang.
It's a foul called by the referee.
Okay tayo po.
Holding foul committed.
Kailangan.
Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Mr. Lantaka. Pasok. One more.
52-52.
This free to is brought to by Kanoy P Vlogs. Doy pilang sa kalam. Vlogging, sagot po yan ni Kanoy P Vlogs. Lantaka, second throw, jumpers ready. It's pasok. 54-52, lamang ng dalawa. Eto na naman. Lamang naman ng F1 ng dalawa. 17 seconds remaining. Andal. Andal scaling the defense. Nope, it's Alipala. Alipala to Andal. Andal. Palpal. Good ball. And it's same ball.
2 seconds.
Same ball, sabi ng referee.
2
2 seconds
seconds.
remaining. Andal.
Yung pinasa.
Traveling violation. A second remaining. Matatapos
1 second.
ang third quarter action. Karag for the inbound.
52.
Karag for the inbound. Full court press ang kalaban. Karag for the inbound. Binato.
Yun, binato.
Okay. Binato rin. Basag ang fiberglass. Para ano? May... Okay, ano masasabi niyo po sa larong ito? Ayan.
Napaka-intense talaga ng laban, pero bandang huli, United Boleros pa rin magsa-champion.
Okay, yun ang sabi nila. Malayo yung pants nila eh.
Siyempre, nagpapabugbog lang yan sa isa. Sila pa may sasabihin.
Malayo. Ay. Okay, coming up po. And also, schedule po tayo yun. Maganda-handa na po kayo susunod na laro po.
54.
Next game, after this match, is Tropang Aspire versus Beast Bulacan. Maganda-handa na po kayo. Tropang Aspire versus Beast Bulacan. Handa-handa na po kayo mga kababayan. Okay, final 10 minutes. Malalaman po natin sino kukuha ng game number 1. Game number 1 is a huge advantage going to game number 2 and chance to end it all sa larong ito. Sa championship nito. Repolyo, inbound to Mr. Adorable. Makatunggal, Adorable. Lantakan na yung mag-isa. Wala, Makatunggal. Nope, Andal.
Yun, nakuha ang bola. Number 9.
Andal. Montefalcon.
Pinasa.
Makalay for 3. Airball. 54-52, 9 minutes 30
Yun,
seconds
tinakbo na ang
remaining.
bola. Nagpamadali.
Eh si Repolyo.
Pinasa.
Makatunggal. Adorable. Floater shot. Wala pa rin. Pero may...
Hindi ba tumawag, Rep? Bayan! Buhay na lang yung kalaban namin sa pre.
Okay, Adorable shooting for 2, courtesy of MC Cargo. Ang yung padala ay laging safe at sigurado. MC Cargo. Dalawang branch po yan. Isa po sa Doha and isa po sa Dubai. MC Cargo. Ang ayong padala ay sa amin ay laging safe at sigurado. Adorable. Second throw.
Subukan makaisa.
Second throw ni Adorable. It's pasok.
Pasok.
Tatlo.
52-55.
9 minutes, 21 seconds remaining. 52-55. Okay, Mr. Montefalcon. Tia to Montefalcon.
14 second shot lang.
To number 30. Stripped away. Same ball.
10 second shot lang.
Sabi ni Mariluc Kulignan, good luck F1 team and go for the trophy. Ayan, sabi nila. Makalay na yung magsa. Wala.
Maalat, lumabas.
Adorable nagmamadali. Adorable. Foul. Pero sa baba. Foul sa baba. Manimuta ko. Okay po. Bitor for the inbound. Repolyo driving. Repolyo. Lantaka. Pops up. Pasok.
57-52.
57-52. A 5-point lead again posted again by F1 team.
52-57.
Makaalay. Andal. Binabantay ng dalawa. Power move straight away by Adorable. Okay, number 30. Kickball. Reset po ng 40 ng shot clock.
12 seconds shot clock.
Okay, 30. Cake pass kay Mac. Makalay.
10
Makalay.
seconds.
Montepalcon. Malakas ang pasa kay Tiyat. Nakuha niya Durable. Nakuha ni Lantaka. 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 2 points Lantaka. 52-59. Okay, Montepalcon to Tiyat. Number 30. It's a foul.
Time out.
United Boleros.
Boleros called for the timeout.
Time out natin.
Okay, next game. Next game po tayo. Maganda na po kayo. Tropang Aspire versus Beast Bulacan. Where are you now? Next game po tayo ha. Maganda na po kayo. Tropang Aspire versus Beast Bulacan. Maganda na po kayo. 8 minutes na lang po sa larong ito. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Shooting for 2 si Mr. Hindi mabasa. Number 30. First shot is made.
3:59.
This shot is brought by MC Cusin. Ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado. MC Cusin. Diyan po lang po kami sa John Station area in Doha.
54-59.
MC Cusin. Take the best taste, the best tasting pastel in town. Ando po yun ang MC Cusin. Lantaka. Lantaka.
14 seconds shot clock.
Lantaka again. Lantaka driving. Adorable. Short stab. Nilagog palabas. Santillan almost got the ball. Number 30. Andal. Andal on the line. Andal. Driving in. Palpal and still pasok pa rin ang bola.
56-59.
Kung nandito lang kayo marinig nyo, napalpal siya. And 1-all. Sayang. Sayang. Nice D.
56-59.
Nice D ni number 30. Aginon.
16 seconds shot clock.
Adorable. Lantaka for 3. Wala. Rebound. Good ball.
Pinasa. Oh.
Pagsa for 3. Wala pa rin. One more time. Nope. Ayaw niya. Nakuha ni Lantaka. Nakuha ni Bitor. And touch last. Nice defense. Teka lang po. Meron tayong injury.
56-59. Sub.
Sabo na siya.
Pasok.
32 shot. Score po natin, 59-56.
The score right now is 59-56.
Oras natin, 6 minutes and
6 minutes, 50 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter action ng larong ito between Bowlers and F1.
Sorry, 5-8 division.
5-8 division plus 2 imports, 5-11.
Okay,
Wow!
foul. Taas na kaway ng foul. Who's foul rep number? 17.
Who's foul rep? Foul number 17.
Third personal foul, number 17. Sa
Third personal foul, si Adorable.
Ball 2 free throw para kay number 17.
And last but not the least, this will is brought by Noypi Vlogs. Noypi Vlogs na ang Sakalam.
Second
Vlogging at ibaba, sagot po yan yung Noypi Vlogs.
59-57.
Okay, one more time. Pasok! Lamang na isa. 59-58. Cabello. Cabello. Lantaka for 3. Tapos, Adorable. 3 pa Adorable. Almost got the ball.
Who's foul rep? Taas na kami ng foul.
Usman rep. Tapos na.
Who's foul rep?
Who's foul rep?
Number 5.
Number 5. Alipala. Ano ba? Hindi.
First personal foul.
Number 5, first personal foul.
Ulok nito.
Tiyat. First ni Tiat. Adorable, second throw.
Papasok ang second throw. Number 17 sa F1.
Adorable, second throw. Jumpers ready.
Sa laban. Parang
Adorable. No!
Nakuha. Number. Okay, number 17.
Walang ball!
Rigo.
Tumagal mo na!
Tingnan natin. Pass to number. 40 seconds shot clock. 40 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds.
Hawak nila bola!
Ganda pasak. Tignan address. Wala. Okay lang.
It's a foul call by number 30. Nice rebound ni Adorable. Okay, the score is 59-58. Still lamang pa rin po F1. Cabello calling the shots. Cabello driving in. And same ball. Sabi na natin. Same ball.
Oras. 80 seconds shot clock.
Vitor.
Nakuha number.
Naku ni Andal. Naku ni Vitor. Still complete ni Vitor.
21. Aragay inatake.
Vitor. Adorable. And what playmaking by Adorable.
Who's foul here? Galing, nice pick.
Parang
Petras pick. Number 17 foul.
okay, Adorable shooting for
Oras na
bonus free
5 minutes
throw.
and 36 seconds sa fourth quarter.
Adorable shooting for bonus free throw po tayo yun.
Substitution. Okay, mamaya. Wait. Binigay na yung ball.
Teka
Wait
lang
lang.
po.
Sige, rep.
Ano na?
Sige,
Okay,
sub.
sab na.
Good bang tanongos. Substitution.
Woo!
Palit si
Monte
number
Falcon,
0.
labas
Tayo
muna
si
para
number
kay Mr. Makaalay.
20.
Adorable shooting for 2.
Bonus shot tayo kay number 17.
For the bonus free throw si Adorable at 5 minutes 30 seconds remaining. Pasok po bola.
Bonus shot, pumasok. Easy kay number 17.
62-58. 62-58 po ang lamang po na. Ang lamang po.
62-58 in favor of F1.
Okay, now number
Number 17,
17.
binigay kay number 0. Binalik ulit kay number 17. 40
Ay!
seconds shot clock.
Andal, almost lost the ball. Double team.
Pass to number 17. 17,
Number
umatake.
17 matake. And it's a
Okay,
foul by
foul
Adorable.
sila kanina, ref.
Blocking foul. Blocking foul called by Adorable.
Who's foul here?
Blocking foul
Blocking
po.
foul.
Blocking foul. Adorable.
17.
Number 17.
Number 17 sa F1 ha. Fourth personal foul.
Makaalay na yung mag-isa. Wala pa rin.
Si number 6.
Ingat. Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin.
Number 30. Pasok.
Number 2. Score natin, 60-62. Oras, 5 minutes. Ganda naman bata ka number 37.
Nice one by number 37.
Napaka-basic ng basketball sa F1.
Very
Easy
basic.
shot.
Again.
64-60 ah. Last quarter tayo, 4 minutes.
F1 holding a precarious fourth lead. 4 points na lang po. Anda, lang na ng screen. Power move. Tiyat, kinumo ng bola. Nandiyan si number 17.
5 seconds.
Papsa. Tapos.
Out of bounds. Kaya bola. 2 seconds tayo.
2
2 seconds
seconds
tayo.
remaining.
2
2 seconds
seconds
remaining. 2 seconds on the shot clock. 2 seconds remaining.
United Ballers. 4 minutes 29 seconds.
United
ha?
Ballers.
2 seconds.
2 seconds
2 seconds shot
remaining.
clear ha.
Tiyat, balakas. Nakuha na Durable. Ayun. Lanta ka mag-isa. 2 points sa taka.
Napaka-basic ng basketball sa F1.
66-60.
66-60 ha.
Lamang ng anim pong F6.
60. Oras, 4 minutes 11. 40 seconds shot clock. Number 17. Binigay ka number 0. Tumira na 3. Rebound. Ay, si number 0.
Makaalay still putting them in the game.
63.
Lamang ng tatlo na ng F1.
3 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay. Binigay ka number 13. Dinatao. Binigay ka number 40 seconds shot clock. 40 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. Tapos susunod na tayo. Wala.
Good ball. Walang foul. Number 30.
Ako number 20.
Andal.
Binigay ka number.
Oh, sandal muna na magkakakuha ng bola.
Oras
Sino
na
ka naman namin 0?
31 seconds sa fourth quarter po yan. Fourth quarter. 40 seconds shot clock.
Makaalay.
10 seconds. Sa kapit. Tumira na
Tapos.
Tawa si number.
Nakuha. Number 17. Tay, adorable mo tayo.
Score natin
Adorable.
63-66 ha. Oras 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 17.
Nakalusot.
Tinatao.
Nawala ang big man.
Sa number 17. Binigay
Santillan, Nagtaka, pops up. Hey! Sayang. Labas si sana.
Number 13.
Foul number 30. Foul number 30.
Santi Rizzo.
Again, this free throw is brought to by Home Qatar. Buka para po yan. Quality uniforms,
Oras natin 3 minutes
quality
and 1
shirts,
seconds sa fourth
caps,
quarter.
and many more. Handog po yan ng Hook of Qatar. Salsad na po yan. Or visit every page for details. Connection parate.
Gandang laman. Ganda ng bakbakan.
Classic.
Parang Gilas versus Jordan.
Sayang nga lang.
Last shot tayo, last shot.
Lantaka, second throw.
Hindi ko babasok. Last shot ni number 14.
Pasok.
Basic. Okay, score natin 68-63. Lamang na 5 ang 8-1. Oras natin 2 minutes and 58 seconds sa fourth quarter.
Coach Joe.
Yung number 5.
Lima.
40 seconds.
Tiyat.
Shot lang.
Back.
10 seconds shot lang.
Makalay. Andal.
Ganda
Power
naman
move.
ang galing. Okay, foul siya.
Nakapower siya yung Andal.
Loose foul. Taas muna kami ng foul para po nakikita natin. Number
This
21
free
foul.
throw is brought to you by Trigon's Barbershop. The only 100% owned Pinoy barbershop in Qatar. To visit, just visit in 3 branches po yan. One in Medina Canibador, one in Mansura, and also one in Alsab. Trigon's Barbershop.
16. Tingnan natin kung papasok ang 2 shot. Ni number 0.
Shot, Andal!
Second shot ni Andal.
Dalawa!
Second throw.
Ang unang pitro.
Pasok. First shot is pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Finals po tayo.
68-64.
Game
Chance
po
to
natin
chop
ang
the
Best of 3 finals na.
Chance po
5.8
yan. Labas. Nakuha ni Makadang ni Big Mac ang bola.
Plus 2, import, 5-11.
Adorable.
Division na.
Adorable to Big Mac. Adorable.
Pass number 17.
Lantaka.
40 seconds.
Nakuha na no. Eh, nawala ang bola.
Steve, ganda ng
Antal,
pass. Number 0. Ayan na.
Antal. Ang dead. Nagpapatay muna. Nandis Tiyat.
Big number 30.
Number 30 to Andal.
Okay, out of bounds.
Stepping violation si
Number
Andal.
68-64. Time out ang F1.
F1 now called for the timeout.
Gandang pagkakan. Best of 3. 5-8. Division.
Mag-meeting muna to sila. Meeting.
2 plus 5-11. 2 import. Gandang game 1 tayo ng best of 3. Best of 3 po tayo. Oras natin 2 minutes and 18 seconds sa fourth quarter.
2 minutes, 18
Tigisan time na po
seconds.
kayo, Coach.
Last.
Coach,
Both
tigisan
teams.
time na lang po kayo.
The game reset po tayo. Go both
Okay,
teams
back
was
to the
one
game.
timeout to give.
Sino kaya?
2 minutes, 18 seconds remaining. This is your PLBL Championship Series between Boleros in black and in white po is, of course, F1.
Yun, double check po natin. I-recheck po natin yan, Coach. Okay, start removing. Binigay kay number 16.
16, Lantaka.
Ayan, usang oras sa F1.
Lantaka.
10 seconds shot lang. Number 3.
Naku na pick. Lantaka. Cabello. Wala. Naku na drum. Naku di Aginon ng bola.
Oras natin.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes po tayo ha, sa fourth quarter.
Last 2 minutes.
64-68 in favor of F1. 40 seconds. Gandang pagkakaroon.
Ayun, Sandal. Bigas ng bola.
Number 0.
Cabello.
Score natin 66-68. Dalawa na lang po ang lamang. Oras natin 1 minute and 38 seconds sa fourth quarter po tayo. Number 13. 10 seconds sa pa. 10.
Offensive foul. Illegal pick.
Offensive foul. Ang out si number 0.
Illegal pick. Moving pick.
Sayang yun. Kailangan yun.
Okay, bumili po ang bola po sa Boleros.
Committee timeout. Committee timeout.
Okay, kumita tayo po na tayo.
Wait lang po. Committee timeout. Committee timeout, mga rep. Rep. Tara mo dito. Rep. Tara mo dito sa table.
Diyan ka lang.
Correct yan!
Tara mo dito sa table, rep. pinapatawag po kayo ng ating boss para i-check po natin kung ano po ang mga comment. Basta po may mga comment kayo, coach, sa magkabilang team, lapit na kayo sa table natin para may reject natin. Kasi finals po doon.
Okay, sige po, nagkaroon po ng committee timeout po talaga. Meron pong bine-verify lang po talaga.
Oras natin, 1 minute 27 seconds sa fourth quarter. Ang score natin, 66-68 in favor of F1.
Okay, balik po natin sa laro po natin.
Okay,
The
correction po
score
tayo.
is-
Tig-isang timeout po na lahat.
Okay,
Tig-isang
game
timeout.
reset.
Sa magkabilang team,
One
tig-isang
timeout
timeout.
apiece. 1 minute 27 seconds remaining. 68-66 po ang score.
Okay.
Lamang po ang F1.
Coach Juan, reminder, tig-isang timeout sa magkabilang coach. Oras natin, 1 minute and 27 seconds sa fourth quarter. Okay, inbound, number 0, balik number 17. Second game natin, Tropang Aspar versus Bulacan Peace. Maggayak-gayak kayo. Wala, sayang ako number 13. Pass to number 23, umagari. Ganda ng mga atake nun. One of
2 points.
Oras natin, 1 minute 7 seconds. Score 70-66. 70-66 in favor of F1. 59 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 7 shot clock.
Andal. 2 points Andal. Grabe.
Score natin 68.
Andal, naniniguro na rin. Walang tapo na po. Walang tapo na. Timeout na. Last timeout called na by.
F1.
Last timeout called by F1.
Sorry. Okay, sorry.
Ha?
Okay, perfect. Yes.
Kung viable ko, maintindihan ko. Paano basketball ko eh.
Coach, lapit po kayo dito. Coach, sa kabilang team, lapit po tayo dito. I-explain lang po namin.
Okay, sige po. Ano muna po? Okay.
Okay po. Coach, basta pagka-timer po kayo, lapit po kayo dito sa table natin. Para kasi 45 seconds po yan.
Okay, ano ko muna?
Re-reset natin.
Yung committee na po magko-comment muna ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Pahinga rin muna ako.
Coach lang po lalapit. Coach lang po lalapit dito, sir. Coach lang po.
Kayo na naman, sir.
Okay, Mayor. Any grievances po for both teams po, sinabi po, coach lang po dapat lalapit po. Any questions po, coach lang po lalapit po. Sabi po na committee table po. Okay.
Wala na timeout ng F1, ha?
F1, wala na pong timeout. 45 seconds remaining. Next game, magandaan na po kayo between Bulacan, Beast Bulacan and
43
Aspar
seconds.
Boys.
68-70, ha? 68-70. 39. 14 seconds, shot clock. 10 seconds.
Adorable. Nanakaw! 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 Tilat! Nanakaw rin! Nanakaw rin!
25 seconds. 20 seconds.
Capello! Nakawala!
40 shot clock.
Lantaka! Foul!
Okay, bitaw sa ref. Who's foul ref? Number 0 foul. Penalty na ang United Boleros.
Penalty situation, United Bowlers. 16 seconds remaining. 76 ang score.
60
Lamang po
seconds
ang
Sorry,
F1.
16 seconds.
Ferrari. One Ferrari ng tao, sabi nila.
First round, hindi bumasok.
Nagtaka! Hindi binusno ang bola. There will be a chance for 3 points.
Ang F1 wala
One
na.
timeout. Nag-reserve na po sila. Lantaka again.
Ang last
Lantaka.
video, tingnan natin kung papasok.
Pinasok. Okay, time out. Final time out po.
Pasok at last draw. Time out! United Buleros.
Okay, both teams has called now their last time out.
Oras 60 seconds ha. 60 seconds.
The score is 71-68.
71.
Papasok niya po ang mga tirador po ng Boleros para tirin 3 points. May mga snipers po dyan, magpapasok po sila.
Para Boston versus Dallas. Okay.
Eto na.
Wala
Eto
na
na.
pong timeout ha.
Last play.
Wala na pong timeout. Good.
Last play ng
Both
regulation.
teams, wala na kayong timeout.
Mga kababayan, ito po yung last play. Last play ng regulation.
16 ha. 16 seconds ang oras natin.
16 seconds remaining. 3 points lead na kinakailangan. Sinong titira ba? Si Makaalay ba? Si Tiyat ba? Si Andal o sino ba?
68-71.
Sino ang malakas ang loob para tira ito? Wala nang timeout pareho. Wala nang timeout pareho.
Okay, points number 14.
What we want?
Hindi
17.
ka na pa 17.
Hop, naipit ang konti.
10 seconds to
Nanakaw.
shoot.
Still completed.
Ganda ni
Capello is a foul.
Still ganda. Yup. Penalty tayo ha. 8 seconds. 68-17.
Penalty situation, Boleros. Oh, teka lang.
Penalty tayo ha. Pushan tayo.
Player pala ko ng basketball. Kala ko volleyball. Player pala ng basketball.
Okay.
Hindi ka sumali doon sa Bakang Liga. Sumali kayo? Ako ka na lang. Bakit nga? Ha? Retired na? Okay, game. Cabello. Final 2 free throws. Could be. Could be, could be.
Number 16.
2 shots ni Cabello. First shot, Cabello.
Pasok.
Pasok.
Pasok. Score natin 68-72. Ganda na laban. Sa akin dyan.
4.
Tingnan natin kung mapasok ang second throw for number 16. Walang kakabang.
Second throw ni Cabello. Pasok. Wala. Niluwa. 8 seconds remaining. Plus ball
Same tayo ha.
possession.
Same ball tayo.
Plus ball possession pala. Dilim. Ans po po pag ginumit ang
Sport
kinod.
like foul ang tawag
Ans po
nila.
pala tawag pala nila.
Same ball. 8 seconds ha. 8 seconds.
Cabello. Cabello. Sumigaw na. Sino kukuha?
Ring
Up!
number 13 na steal. Ganda naman steal.
Andal, andal, andal.
Okay,
Foul.
tawag sila. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 shot yan ha. Ah, sorry. Warning
Wala,
for penalty.
walang
Wala.
penalty,
Warning for
penalty.
penalty pala.
Warning for penalty. 72-68. 3
3
seconds.
seconds. Kumaya ko po ang susunod ko pa Aspar versus Bulacan Beast.
Andal. Okay, that's it.
Wala na po tayo. Nanalo po ang F1, 72-68. Thank you po, both teams. Salamat. Maraming salamat.
Okay, final score 72-68. F1 escaping a 4-point lead over Boleros sa kanilang championship edition ng PLBL Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and standby po tayo sa next game po between Bulacan Beast and Beast Bulacan and Tropang Aspire.
Ganda na laban. Thank you po, Coach, ha? Both. Maraming salamat po. Napakaganda na naging
O
laban.
tama nga. Next game po is Tropang Aspire and Bulacan Beast. Maraming salamat po and see you po. Thank you po, thank you po, thank you po ha. Standby po tayo sa next game po. Thank you po. Okay, we're here at about post-game ito po tayo and congratulations for escaping a narrow lead po over Boleros F1 basketball team. Sir, any word po sir? Sige pa sir.
Salamat po. Salamat sa suporta at sa Panginoon sa panalong to. At nakaisa rin. So hindi pa tapos yung laban. May isa pa. So sana swertihin ulit sa game 2.
I think nakita ko po kasi yung certain title ko Nakita ko po, kaya F1 yata means more on transition po kayo, no? Transition play po talaga.
Actually, yun po yung game plan po sana namin kasi nga mas pabor kami din sa mga tumatakbo ng mga gwardiya namin kaysa
Okay.
dun sa kalaban. Yun lang nakikita na kasi mas malaki sila.
Yun
yun
nga.
ang ginagawa namin parati. If may chance ang tumakbo, tatakbo kami.
Parang F1 talaga. Okay. Lanta ka. Any word po, sir? Any word po sa laro nyo? Stellar performance po, sir.
Salamat kay God kasi binigay sa amin yung game 1. Tapos salamat kay Coach kasi binigyan niya ako ng kumpiyansa kahit hindi ako nakashoot ng first half.
How do you maintain your composure? In the, parang yung sumusunod na tagpo po, paano po nakuha yung range nyo?
Wala, yun. Sabi nga ng mga kampi ko, kumpiyansa lang, makukuha mo rin yung range. Kaya yun, tinirahan ko ng tinirahan, kaya buti nagpapapasok, swerte.
Okay,
Para
and
sa game ko din.
okay, now, and looking forward na game 2, what is your game plan now? Yeah, this came now with a very, very important dahil nakuha nyo po yung advantage po and chance to put away the series po talaga.
Ganun pa rin yung game plan namin. If may chance kami tumakbo, tatakbo kami sa transition. Pero dapat hanapan namin ng paraan si Andal sa ilalim. Adjust kami konti sa depensa at saka sa ikot ng tao. So sana sa game 2 pala rin pa rin.
And I believe so, you will expect your own adjustment also sa kalaban nyo.
Yun nga yung ano namin.
Yun ang inintay
kasi
nyo rin.
Ngayon parang kulang din sila sa player. So sana next game maganda pa rin yung laban.
Okay, wait. Any word po, Mr. Lantaka?
Wala, yun lang. Hindi pa tapos yung laban, may game 2 pa.
Okay, now, syempre, batiin nyo naman, family members nyo, mga loved ones, supporters ng F1, and many, many more. Sige po.
Salamat po pala sa sumusuporta ng F1 sa misis ko po kay Roda at saka kay sa aming booting manager si Madam Thea, Boss T, at saka si Boss Dennis, at saka si Sean, at saka sa may bahay niya na si Ems. Maraming salamat. At huwag kayong magsawang sumuporta po sa amin.
F1 basketball team. And also, Lantaka?
Salamat kay Boss D. Boss D. Tsaka sa F1 Management. Tsaka shoutout kay Mama dyan sa bahay.
Okay, with it po, congratulations for winning it. And also, good luck po for the game number 2 will be played maybe next week po talaga.
Salamat.
3, 2, 1. At po yung kanang team owner po ng F1, Mr. Dennis. Sir, any word po sa team niyo po? And also, yung kanang performance po ngayon, sir.
Yes, congratulations sa team namin.
O, team niyo daw. Congratulations. Ayan. Okay. Thank you po.
Shoutout na lang, bossing. Shoutout po sa buong F1 family.
Okay, F1 community, okay?
Yes, at saka syempre yung misis ko, si Madam Boss T.
Okay. Nung una po, parang kinabahan ba kayo dahil si lumangmang po yung kalaban niyo po kanina on the first 2 quarters po?
Syempre, oo, kinabahan kami at pero buti naka-recover naman kami nung second half. Nakuha namin itong laro namin.
Okay, sir. Okay, now you can greet na your families, your supporters po ng F1 community. Sige ba, sir? Ano po?
Okay, so sinabi ko na kanina, shoutout lang sa F1 family, tsaka sa family ko sa Pilipinas, tsaka sa anak ko, si Juan Ferrari. F1.
So that's why F1 Ferrari.
Yes.
Kala ko sa totoo, nung tingin ko sa inyo, kala ko Formula 1 ang tawag sa inyo.
Anak ko talaga.
Kaya Juan Ferrari pala, kaya F1. Okay. With it po, coach, team manager, congratulations po, Sir Dennis, for winning the game, and good luck po for the next game. Maybe to be played next week po in PLBL Championship Series po. 3, 2, 1.